In this lesson, we'll look into different string formatting methods. And first, we'll look into the usage of so-called template strings. But we need a string to format to begin with. And we'll use a famous English language pangram, so a sentence that contains all of the letters of the English alphabet, that is, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. But as you may notice, this phrase was slightly modified with two placeholders. They begin with the $sign. But we'll of course replace them later on. And this is the whole point of using the template. So the template will be an instance of this template class. And as you can see, VS Code doesn't know what template class is, but if we'll press the quick fix, it will import the template class. So we already have the string module. It is at the top of the file. And now we can use the template from that module, and we pass our string to that template. And just in case you don't work in VS Code or the auto import doesn't work, I will duplicate what you require to import to use the template class underneath as the comment. All right. So to replace those placeholders with the values of our choice, we have to use a function called substitute. And since we have two placeholders, this substitute function will have two parameters as well. One will be animal and the other will be the action. And we'll assign animal with fox and action with jumped. So now we can observe the result of our substitution by printing this output str to the console. And as you can see, animal and action were replaced with fox and jumped, forming the original pangram. But this is not the only way we can do this. We can perform the same operation, this time using the dictionary object. So args will be our dictionary and keys will be, of course, animal and action. But this time we'll use different values just for fun. So animal will be cow and action will be, let's say, run. And below that, we can use slightly modified output str construction. So this time will be the template substitute. And here we just pass the dictionary, args. And let's print the result. So print output str. So the second string will sound something like the quick brown cow run over the lazy dog. And the last example of string formatting is called string interpolation. But to use this feature, you'll need to have at least 3.6 version of Python. So I've commented out our previous exercise, and down below I'm going to specify some variables of different values and different types of values. So product is going to be string laptop, and price is going to be string, but this time is going to be a number. And tax is going to be a float. Let's say it's going to be 0.08. All right, and now we need to construct this string. So I will be constructing this string inside the print statement, so we'll see the result straight away. And it will begin with F as letter F, and then inside the quotes, we're going to specify this string, and inside of curly braces, we're going to specify the first placeholder, so it's going to be the product. And as you may guess, the value of this variable will be substituted into this string. So the product has a price of, and then another placeholder price, comma, plus, and then tax. So we have the placeholder tax and the actual word tax. So let's run it and check out the output. And as you can see, laptop has a price of 199.99 plus 0.08 tax. And since this tax representation is not ideal, I'll use some formatting on this placeholder as well. So this will change the representation of the value of this tax variable into 8 and then point 2 zeros and the percentage sign. So no one loves taxes, but at least now they are readable.